Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Na ka jingdan ki bayoy uknyang jipang Omicron ha ka Jylla ha kini ki khindia sngi u menteri ketenat ka kot ka khia u Jingsaphriang ula kentu ki nong snong jo ka Jylla panlong ki bahusial na kani ka klam khna makin lat na ka Jingsaphriang ula bendap ru da ka baong pa ka tenat ka kot ka khia kelapan kira benya khon persha ya kini ka klam bat kumbakalong menta ki jaka sumar ki blashna ni ki prefab structure kila dap bat ka jingdan ki jingthia kila biang la da one shop kani ka klam kumbakalong menta ka Jylla kadang la bantai Lakam ya ka Jingsaphriang jong kani ka klam habai dei be ka Jakarta sa umling na kali ka tenat ka kot ka khia kan persang men bu shushu khna makin lat na ki jingkhapnya.
Yes, we've had a series of meetings. In fact, we had one very recently chaired by Honorable Chief Minister himself. And, we have taken stock of the situation in terms of COVID. As we all know, very recently that there have been 5 known cases that have been detected. And we are very taking this very seriously. And as you know, there are new SOPs which have been issued. And we are also urging the public to maintain social distancing and to be ever vigilant not to let their guard down in terms of Omicron. We will overcome, but then we all need to cooperate. The prefab structures, yes, most of them have been completed. In terms of the number of beds, we have sizable number of beds available with us in case there is a spike, and as of now, things are under control, and we hope that we can, continue this way. I agree that there are certain inconveniences which have been caused because of the number of testing. We are trying to increase the number of testing, facilities there to ease the kind of congestion. But this is something that the inconvenience will yet still remain, and we ask people to bear with us. But we will definitely be trying to increase the testing facilities.